Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today we're going to open another Spread the Love canvas. We have two left. Numbers 1 and number 5. So let's shuffle. All right, here we go. Hold on. I got it. Number 1. Oh, what one is number 1? Guys, number 1. Oh my gosh. Where do you see number 1? I was really hoping that this would be the last one, but I don't pick the order. The computer does. Are you ready? It is a MrsButterD. Yup. It is Love, Music, and Family by MrsButterD. It is 23.6 by 33.5 inches or 60 by 84.9 centimeters. My gosh, this thing is big. This is your toolkit. You get your pen. Comes with your white putty, your baggies, the super duper tray with the heart wax and the putty. Nice, nice, nice. Everybody loves Diamond Art Club's trays. I know I do, and it's a decent one. And here's your pen. Come on. All right. And here is this, your envelope. Let's see what's in it. There is no trading card in here. Remember, not all kits have will have one. Not all of them will have them. So this is got 48 colors. And it is 23.6 by 33.5 or 60 by 84.9 centimeters. Love, Music, Family. Look at that. Look at the pretty colors. It has no ABs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fairy dust colors. 6, guys. Six. Oh, sorry. 6 colors, not 666. I was really hoping there was a card in here, but there isn't. Okay. All right, are you ready to see the canvas? This has not been opened. Okay. Here we go. Let me move this keyboard over here so I don't accidentally hit it. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's not huge. I thought it was going to be huge. And it's not. It's not huge. I mean, it's decent. It's a decent size. But look at this. Wow. This is pretty. Oh, I love it. I think, is it legal for me to keep it at this point? No, I can't do that. That's not right. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. This is all right, let me see. Okay, in these leaves, that's all fairy dust. Okay, not all of them, but the yellow is going to be fairy dust. Nice, right? All of that's going to be fairy dust. Fairy dust in here too. What else? The floppy disk. Where is the floppy disk? Floppy disk. Nope, that's not a floppy disk. The squiggly lines. Right here is all fairy dust in the phonograph. Oh my gosh, look at the record. Guys. This is all, this whole thing just about is going to be fairy dust. Her shirt. Her shirt. And the scarf on the dog. I love it. I love it. Okay, let me do what I do. So, okay. I can't see, but you can also go on Diamond Art Club's website and put in Love Music Family and see the image there too, but Love Music Family. Those words are going to come out great. Look at her. Look at that. How many of you have had a record player and know what that is and have used it? Put that in the comments. Also put, I want this one, because I know you all want this one. I want this one. I want to keep this one. And the red lines are not, well, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to show you that there is no red lines on this canvas. Okay, here we go. No red lines. Only on the plastic. Wonderful. Wonderful. So let's go over the drills. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, that is great. Guys, oh my gosh. If I just pay shipping, can I keep this one? That would be funny. Look at that. I don't even need to take them out. I'm going to try, because I want to show you all the fairy dust, because there's no ABs. I'm going to try. So this one is fairy dust. Okay, let's try to go down a little bit. This is fairy dust. This one is $7.45, but there's a lot of $7.45. And there's a lot of $4.02. There's a couple of bags of those. There's no crystals in this. All right. Where is the fairy dust? Here's a fairy dust right here. Oh my goodness, guys. Whoever gets this, I want to see it done. Z744 is also fairy dust, and there's only one bag of that. But these 745 ones, there's quite a few bags, and it looks almost like the fairy dust one. It's going to come out bright and colorful. Here's a fairy dust, Z3766. Oh my gosh, guys. Here's a fairy dust right here. Z3824, and there's actually 2 bags of that. Oh, look at those colors. You know how I am about taking them out of the bags. It would be, there's a lot of colors. There's only 48 colors, but there's a lot of diamonds. Let me see if the box tells me. Okay, there is 82,181 drills, 48 colors, including 6 fairy dusts. That's a decent amount of drills, guys. That is a decent amount. So here is love, music, and family. I know everybody's going to want this one. I know everybody's going to say, I want this one, I want this one, because I want this one. I want this one. Wow. That one is, I mean, she's gorgeous. This is a beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. I know. I'm getting ready for the influx of, I want this one. I want this one. Everybody's going to want this one. So you guys know what to do. As long as you're willing to pay shipping, I want this one. Put it in the comments. And let me know if you've ever used a record player. I want to know that too. Because we still have one in my house. We do. Remember, I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I am enjoying this event so much. And remember, be kind to everyone.